Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we debunk myths and uncover the truth behind common spices. First myth is spicy foods cause stomach ulcers. In fact, spicy foods do not cause stomach ulcers. In fact, the majority of stomach ulcers are caused by a bacterial infection called Helicobacter pylori or by long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Spices may irritate an existing ulcer, but they do not cause ulcers to form. Second myth is that cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes, but the fact is, although cinnamon has shown potential in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels in some studies, and the evidence is inconclusive. Our third myth is turmeric can cure all ailments. But fact is, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in studies. While it can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet, it is not a magical cure-all. Fourth myth is fresh herbs are always superior to dried herbs. Mainly fact is, fresh herbs and dried herbs each have their own strengths. Fresh herbs provide vibrant flavors and can be great in salads or added at the end of cooking. Fifth myth is garlic can ward off vampires. Just kidding. Fact: while garlic has been associated with various health benefits, including potential antimicrobial properties, it does not possess any supernatural abilities to ward off vampires. However, it is a delicious and versatile spice that can enhance the flavor of many dishes. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to know more about spices.